In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Kroger Delivery. We will walk through each screen together so you can place your first order with confidence. To begin, open the Kroger website. Once it loads, you should see the Kroger logo at the top and a search bar near the center of the page, along with options for sign-in and shopping. Now sign in to your Kroger account. Click the Sign In option, then enter your email and password. After you sign in, your name or account icon will appear at the top right, and you may see your previous orders or personalized deals. Next, enter your zip code. Look for the box that asks for your zip or location, type it in, and confirm. This tells Kroger which local store will prepare your order, and it makes sure you only see items that are available in your area. Once your zip code is set, select Delivery. Choose the delivery option rather than pickup, and wait a moment for the page to refresh. You should now see that delivery is highlighted, and delivery times or messages may appear near the top. From there, you can start adding groceries. Use the search bar to search for items like milk or apples. As you type, suggested items may appear, and you can click one to see all matching products. Now select products from the results. Click an item to see its price, size, and details like flavor or count. Many items have small labels for sale prices or digital coupons, so glance at those before adding anything. When you find what you want, tap Add to Cart. Each tap increases the quantity by 1, and a small cart icon or number will update near the top right. If you accidentally add too many, you can usually adjust the quantity directly from the product list. After choosing your items, review your cart. Click the cart icon to see everything you have selected, including quantities, individual prices, and an estimated total. This is a good moment to remove anything you do not actually need and to double-check sizes like ounces or pack counts. Next, open your cart to begin checkout. On the cart page, look for a button to start checkout and click it. The site will move you into a step-by-step checkout view. Here, enter your delivery address. Type your street, city, state, and zip. Then confirm any suggestions Kroger offers so the driver can find you easily. With your address ready, choose delivery time. You will see available time windows, often in 1 or 2 hour blocks. Pick the window when you know someone can receive the order at your door. Then add payment method. Type your card number, expiration date, and security code, and confirm the billing address if asked. Many beginners forget to check the billing address, so make sure it matches your card. Once accepted, you will see the card listed as your payment choice. When everything looks correct, place your order. After you confirm, you should see an order confirmation screen with an order number and an estimated delivery time. Now you will get delivery updates. Kroger may show status messages like order received, being shopped, and out for delivery as your order progresses. After that, wait for your groceries. During this time, your shopper selects your items and any changes or substitutions usually appear in your updates. Finally, the driver delivers items to your door. Bags will arrive at your doorstep within the time window you picked, and your order status will show as delivered. You have now placed a complete Kroger delivery order from start to finish, all the way to groceries at your door. If this helped you get your delivery set up, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple guides.